have here the Anua 3-step skincare system. An oil cleanser, a face wash, and a serum. So first impressions, my teen started using this skincare about 2 weeks ago. And within the last 2 weeks, her skin has been glowing, like glass skin glowing. It looks very beautiful. Of course, I was skeptical at first, but now she's using these as part of her daily routine. Easy routine, 3 steps: cleansing oil, gentle wash, and the serum. There's the serum. Here's the foaming wash, and then this is the cleansing oil. This system is just perfect for the beginners or the teens like my daughters. And visible results. Like I said, her skin is clearer, smoother, and more radiant, and it's toning it, so it's noticeable. And so far, we've had no harsh reactions. It is gentle enough on her little sensitive skin, and she has not had any breakouts, but her skin does look clean and bright. Would I buy this again? Absolutely. My daughter saw this online, and it is a nice introduction to a TikTok skincare routine. She saw it, we purchased it, and she loves it. It is worth every step. Highly recommend.